In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can cancel your DoorDash DashPass subscription. Whether you are not using it anymore or just want to avoid next billing cycle, I'm going to show you how you can do that. And the first step is you want to open our DoorDash app on mobile phone. And from here, we should go in our profile. So in top right corner, you should see your profile and you just want to click on it. And this should open this menu. Now we can go to settings. And once we are in the settings, we want to scroll to the option which says Manage DashPass. It should be somewhere over here near Get Help option. So if you see it, you just want to click on it and it's going to ask you if you want to cancel your subscription. So you want to confirm, and also it's going to ask you for a reason why are you canceling. So you just want to choose your reason and you want to continue. This is one way how you can cancel your subscription, or you can go to frequently asked questions. It's over here. And from here, this is going to redirect you to their website. And from here, you can also cancel your subscription. So you can go to customer support. And we want to go to one of those options. So firstly, you can visit their help center, or you can also chat with them in the DoorDash app and you can ask them for canceling your subscription, or you can also call them that you want to cancel the subscription. So if I visit the help center, and from here you can go to this search bar and we can ask question like cancel subscription. And how do I cancel my subscription? And from here you can also see the thing I told you that you have to go to Manage DashPass, and then you just want to click on cancel membership and it's going to cancel the subscription. But if you don't see this option here, just you can contact them. You can go to the live chat and you can ask them about it. All right, so that's pretty much it for this video. And if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.